In this video, I'll be showing you guys step by step how I will use hair from CurlsCurls.com to do full sew-in weave with no closure. And then you can see how the hair came. And they came with this bag, this drawing string bag. If you are to preserve the hair, this bag will be very handy. And then I will be using their weft to do sew-in weave with no closure. The hair came with a pamphlet how to co-wash and care for the hair. The hair came with a closure, but I will not be using a closure because you guys requested that I do sew-in weave with no closure. And then if you want to order with a closure, is also possible. I will just go ahead and show you guys the hair. And then the texture I will be using is their 3B and the 3C coiling texture. And then I will be using 22 inches. It also came with a closure, which I will not be using. A lot of you guys requested that I do sew-in weave with no closure, and just enjoy this video, and then you will see me doing sew-in weave with no closure. To start, I will go ahead and condition the hair. I don't usually use shampoo on my curly hair. I only use conditioner on my curly hair. Just co-wash with only conditioner, no shampoo. I finger comb the hair before co-washing. After applying conditioner and all, I will allow the hair to stay for some minutes and I will go ahead and rinse. I will go ahead and comb. You can see after co-washing the hair, you can see the coils is popping very pretty, and it feels very soft. Try this method. Just don't use shampoo, use only conditioner. Wait for some minutes and then rinse off the conditioner and then comb. You will thank me later. And then what I will do now is just to comb and allow the hair to dry up overnight. You can see how pretty the coils looks. This is the shading I got, minimum. Got no much shading. This is the reason why if you don't want to get much shading, finger comb first before co-washing. You can see my cornrows. You guys know I usually keep my cornrows for long, and my cornrows 2 months, and I will still go ahead and make use of these cornrows. To start, I will apply Freedom Styles Magic Hair Growth Oil on my scalp so that my scalp will be well moisturized, because the sew-in weave I will be doing, the cornrows will still be perfect with it. And then I will go ahead and massage the oil on my scalp. Make sure my scalp is well protected. I usually keep my cornrows for long, and these cornrows, they are 2 months. I still have extra 1 month to keep the cornrows before I will lose. You can see this sewing needle preserver. I like this. It's very handy, and if you are eager to get it, I will try and look for the details and put in the description box. And what I will do now is just to start to do the normal sew-in weave using thread and the needle. After the hair dried up, I still went ahead and combed the hair. I'll go ahead and do the sew-in weave step by step, which I will make sure to show you guys in this video detailed. I will just start to do flip over method, and I will double the weft. The weft is doubled, and I will also be doing flip over method. I don't usually love to pieces my weft, even if I am doing sew-in or making a wig. I don't usually love to cut my weft. If you want your hair to last longer, avoid piecing your weft. I will just start to do the normal sew-in using needle and thread. Flip it over to this side. If I am done, flip it over to the other side. Just regular sew-in weave. And I just want you to stay tuned and watch this video. I will also make sure to show you guys step by step so that you will follow up with this video. It's very easy. With the one bundle, and I will just start with the second bundle. Before I will start, I will go ahead and comb first. This hair is the bomb. The hair is very soft. I will comb gently like this, because if I am done with the sew-in weave, I will not be combing. I just want to comb before doing the sew-in weave. And you can see how it looks. And the bundles very full. You can see one bundle. For the third bundle, I will start like all round, because I will not be having part, and then my cornrows, they are kind of rough. I will be doing all round. If you have shorter inches, doing this all round is very cute. I think if I am to do this sew-in weave next time, I will try and also use shorter length, because the length I am using in this video is 22 inches. Maybe if I am to do all round, do this kind of style, I will try and go with shorter length, something like 10 or 12 inches. And then you can see how I'm doing all round now, and I will just do all round till I am done with the sew-in. cover the last space, I'll go ahead and tag the both sides together like this, and it will be covered. As you guys can see, I will just do it gently. Doing this sew-in weave, I was without mirror. I fixed this sew-in weave with no mirror, and it took me 30 minutes. Oh my gosh, I've never in my life fix sew-in weave with just only 30 minutes. This is the fastest sew-in weave I've ever done in my life. It was very, very fast. 30 minutes. From the beginning, you guys saw my cornrows. It was looking very rough, but the style still came out so pretty like this. And if I am to do this style next time, I will go with shorter length. Shorter length will also be very, very pretty. As I am done tacking the both sides together, I'll go ahead, cut off the thread, and then secure and then cut off the excess thread. And if you don't like close your frontal, try this style. You can see how it looks. I will not be doing much. What I will do is just to put a little bit of water, spray in a little bit of water, and you can see how it looks. I love the texture of this hair. The softness of this hair is on point. And then I spray in a little bit of water. You can see how it looks. Next time, shorter length, I am coming for you. Don't forget that this hair is from CurlsCurls.com. And then this is their 3B and the 3C coiling hair. They say hair weft, wig, clip in, and then much more. I will be able to do many styles with this sew-in weave. And then the hair is everything, and then the softness is everything. I love everything about this hair. If you want me to film more videos doing sew-in weave with no closure, don't forget to give a huge thumbs up to this video. If you are going to try this style, give a huge thumbs up. And then you can see in this video I did apply gel on my edges. Not everybody loves closure or frontal. Try this style if you don't like closure or frontal. And then this is the old method of doing sew-in weave, and it's still existing. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget that details of this hair will be in the description box below. This hair is from CurlsCurls.com, www.curlscurls.com. I used their 3B and the 3C coiling hair to do this sew-in weave 22 inches, which all the details will be in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video like as I enjoyed filming it, give a huge thumbs up, share with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.